Hello, this dance is called Play Your Trumpet. It is a 32 count, 4-wall beginner line dance. Section 1. Lean knee to the right, lean knee to the left. Shuffle, rock back, replace, shuffle, rock back, replace. Section 2. Step, turn, shuffles. Step, turn, shuffle, step, turn, shuffle. Section 3. Rocking chair in the right turning jazz box. Rock forward, recover, back, recover, cross, turn, side, close. Section 4. Point, step, back, 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 back. That's the whole dance. Okay, let me go over the dance with the count. Section 1. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Section 2. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's a whole dance. You start the dance all over again. So this dance has got 2 tags. One after the 4th wall and one after the 8th wall. They both happen at the 12 o'clock wall. So here's a tag. Side touch, side touch, side touch, side touch. With the count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you start the dance all over again. Thank you and enjoy the dance.